Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today in this video I will show you how can you add a network printer to your Windows PC. So this is my printer. If I go to properties and go to hardware, here you will notice that I have this static IP assigned to my network printer. So first you should know what is the IP of your network printer. If you don't know, you can set it up as well. So I will show you. So here I'm going to the same IP of my network printer and it will open the administration portal of the printer. So here you can see that it has all the details about the impressions and all those things, and here you will notice that it is showing the IP address of the printer, and you can set it from the display as well. So I will show you how can you set it up. So let's log in here. So let's give it the password and okay. So now after I log in, I have all the access to the menu. So if I go to connectivity, you will notice that it has all the options for the Ethernet, USB and all those things. So if I go to Ethernet, it will show me the static IP and the subnet mask and all those things. So you can edit them if you want. So you can see here that this is the static IP, then subnet, and MAC address is the important thing. So when you are setting up the IP address for the printer, you need the MAC address so that in the DHCP server, the MAC address is binded to the static IP. So we are going to set this IP as well. So let's log out from here. Okay, so let's log out and I'm going to show you how can you edit from the printer. So this is the same menu. So let's log in here. So after we log in here, we will have the same menu that we had on the web server. So it's the same menu. So we go to device and here we have to go to connectivity. And from here we will go to Ethernet. So you can see that it has all those options. So we are interested in Ethernet. So let's select Ethernet. And from here we can set our IP for the network printer, and then we can add it to our PC. So let's log out. And now we have to go to printer. So from here, if I go to printer and scanners, I can select add device. So it's already installed as well, but I'm going to add device. So if it doesn't find it automatically, we will select add it manually. So add a new device manually. And now here you have some options, like you can search for your printer by the name or by the IP address, or if you have a local printer on your network, you can select that one as well. So add a local printer, let's say. And here we have to use the port. So I'm going to use WST port, which is for the web service devices. And here you will find that I have the Xerox option, and if I select it, this printer will be installed. Now we are going to select the other option. So let's try to find it with the IP address. So I'm going to select IP address, and here I'm going to select device type auto detect, and we will give the same static IP which we have assigned to our printer. So 192.168.0.250. And I'm going to say next. So it will take some time to load, and it will search for the printer, and it might ask for some other things as well. So let's wait a little bit for it. And now it is asking for some additional information about the device. So usually it asks for the network adapter, what type of adapter it is. So we are going to select standard, and we should find the brand name as well. So let's look for Xerox. And we have Xerox DCS. So let's select this one and press next. So I'm going to fast forward the video because it takes some time to find the device. And there we go, we have all the same options. So we have Xerox, and then if we select C7000 series, it will install our printer, and then you can see that this is the name which will be automatically assigned. So we just need to press next and it will be installed. So you have two options. If I go to device information here, it will give me all the details about our printer. So this is the MAC address, then we have the web page, and then the IP address. So usually the web page is on the same IP of our printer. So here you can see that transport type is web services. So we can add by two options, as I told you. So we click on add device, and either we can find it by name if we know the name of our printer, or we can use the IP address as well. So I hope you have understood. So if you have any difficulties or if you have any questions, you can ask them in the comment section and I will try to help you. So thanks for watching.